Hi friends, welcome to Jolys kitchen. Today we are introducing a special bread snack recipe.
It's a quick recipe. Within 15 minutes we can easily make this tasty snack. We get best taste along with tomato sauce. Let's move to the video. In a bowl, take 2 eggs and beat it. Add 1/4 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon pepper powder, 3/4 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon chopped coriander leaves. Mix it well. Keep aside for later use. Take 4 pieces of bread. Slice the bread into 2 pieces like this. Now take 1 piece of sliced bread and dip it into the egg mix. Dip and mix it well. Then roll it with breadcrumbs. Take 4 tablespoon oil and fry the bread pieces in medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Flip the sides in between. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. After frying, remove it into a plate. While serving, you can add tomato sauce for extra taste. Here we are taking 1 piece of bread and adding a layer of tomato sauce, covering it with another bread snack. In a combination with tomato sauce, it gives different taste, or you can just have it as it is. Try the delicious bread snack and enjoy it.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.